So in this episode, I'm gonna be using this Bondo here to get this dashboard fine, like real fine and smooth on all the sides, so that it's has a good enough surface to be wrapped, to be vinyl wrapped. Because if I attempt to wrap it right now, it's not gonna have a, flat surface behind it to shine through and make it look good. So this is my first coat of Bondo. I don't know. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. I know it's a little sloppy, but it's the first coat, so I'm just gonna paste. I'm just using this coat to paste get some Bondo down in there, and then the next coat I'm gonna lay it a little more smooth. See if I can get it nice and smooth with the rest. And I'm gonna check the rest of the surfaces, give it a nice sand down. I'm gonna sand a little bit more.
Sorry. There was nothing I could have done to save.
It's like right down. And then I'm gonna attempt to cover with the vinyl.
You need to move before the creature finds its way into this room.
All of these holes are cut to size. I need to cut a hole for the screen.
I'm afraid I have a new director.
That can wait.
Do what's best for the company.
Cool little switch.
I'm afraid that's not in the best interest of
So
the company.
I've been doing some research and I am contemplating on going all digital.
We need to move. Now.
Round LCD screens, touch capacitive, that I might go, I don't know, I might get them, might not, might stay with the analog,
Where are we going?
gauges, but I don't know, I'm tempted to go digital
Completed. The corner of the departure and open the door from
with all three, so
you will be free to continue your work.
I might go digital
I'll return to Jackson.
and then the screen. So who knows what's gonna happen with that? But these are cut to size for whichever route I decide to take. And isn't she on the keep it right there just so I can see it and power something just in case I need to. But yeah, let's get this done.